Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix YouTube autoplay not working. For that, the first thing that you must do is make sure that autoplay is turned on. For that, open up YouTube on your device, tap on a video. At the top of your screen, you can see the autoplay button. Make sure that your autoplay button is toggled on. If not, then you can try toggling it off and toggling it back on again, which may sometimes resolve the issue and may be a quick fix. If that does not work, then you may have to check your internet connection and make sure that you're connected to the internet well to make sure that the video next plays. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to settings, tap on apps, tap on YouTube, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of YouTube. Also make sure that restricted mode is not turned on YouTube. For that, tap on your profile icon by heading over to YouTube, tap on the settings, tap on time management, and make sure that your limits are not set. Over here. If the problem still persists, then try updating the app from the Play Store. Head over to Play Store, search for YouTube, update the app, and try again. If that too does not resolve the issue, simply head over to your app drawer, and if your device allows it, uninstall YouTube and reinstall it from the Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.